Good morning, YouTube channel. So today we're doing a meth kit on a 2019 Mustang. So the purpose of this video is to give a general installation course on what it takes to put a system on a car and the things that we have to go through in being able to do so. This particular Mustang is Procharged, as you can see there. And a couple things to note here. The customer would like to use the existing plastic washer tank as the methanol tank. And another thing we're going to be doing is adding a small little reservoir right here, making a bracket for it so that way we can keep the washer function still functioning on the car. So when you put on a kit, you have to decide where is power going to come from, where is the nozzle going to go, a general direction on what tank is going to be used, and in this case it's going to be the washer bottle, which means the pump is going to go underneath behind the bumper, and we have to gain access by getting the car up in the air. Nozzle on this car will simply go on the charge pipe, right here on before the throttle body. And let me start the process. I have to, usually when I open a hood, I take a look, make sure everything looks like it's sound, get a direction where our power is going to come from for the system, where our tank's going to be, whether it's in the trunk or under the hood, and a general idea of routing so we can get those lines and features, into the car. This particular car is a show car, and it's got it's absolutely perfect in every aspect, and he's done a wonderful job with it. So let me start proceeding. First job is let me go ahead and get the tire off the car and get it up on the lift so I can take apart the bottom front end of the car so we can get the pump and stuff hung, and I'll continue from there.